When I log into my Jammber Bridge account, I'm directed to the Launchpad, which is an easy start to any aspect of your project. You can add a team member, you can start a full-length album or a single song, you can start a works, which is an asset, maybe a video, a song, or an event for your project. But since we're talking about sessions, we're going to simply start an album project. So when I click on album, I'm directed to my project overview page, which really tells you a snapshot of each aspect of your project. I can see every team member involved in the project. I can see the status of the project. I can see every upcoming session I have with the project. I can see the progress of my works. And I even have a live activity feed, which shows me any changes that are made to my project at any time, so that everyone is always on the same page. Then we're going to start with a new session. So when I'm directed to sessions, I can see every session with my project in a quick snapshot view here in my calendar feature. If I want to see my sessions by week, I can have a week view. I can even simplify it with a day view or a timeline view. So as you can see, we meet every customer where they want to be with their options and their settings. But I like the calendar view the best because it really shows my entire month as a whole and what I have upcoming. And now I'm going to show you our easy drag and drop feature. So here I have preloaded sessions. Of course, you can add your own types of sessions, but this is pretty easy for the user that wants to add everything very quickly. So say I want to start pre-production on a new album. I'm going to drag and drop pre-production. I want to quickly add my contributors that will be involved in the pre-production process. So Marcus might be my producer, Mangesh the singer, Eric the guitar player. So I've selected all of them, and then I can easily drag and drop them all at the same time to pre-production. The app will ask me if I want to add those people, just in case it was a mistake, but yes, I do, so I'll select OK. Then I'm going to narrow down the songs that we'll be working on the pre-production process. So we'll have a few songs that we're working on. Maybe you're working on an EP. I'll drag and drop those very quickly. And of course, you can customize these song titles as well by adding a new one. Then everything is added all in one place in pre-production. And all my contributors are notified that they will be working with me on Monday the 17th, and they'll know exactly what songs we are working on. But say I maybe don't want to do the drag and drop feature. You can simply click on a session and type it all in. You can add the date, the time, the location of the studio. You can easily add your contributors here. And if they're already a part of your team, it'll pre-populate. So that's an even faster way to add things to your project. Add their email if you want to notify them by email. Add their mobile number if you want to notify them with a simple text message. And add what their job will be for the project. You can easily add the works here as well. Maybe there's multiple. And then in this setting, you can add the paperwork or files that are associated with the project. If you're working on a song, you can add the lyrics, you can add the MP3 of the work tape, anything that you need to work on the project. And then lastly, add administration. So say you need an I-9 form from the singer or the guitar player, you need a W-2, they will automatically be notified that they need to file that paperwork with you before the project or the session begins. Save, and they're easily notified with a simple email or a text message from Jammber Bridge. As you can see, our session calendar streamlines the communication, makes sure everyone is on the same page, and make sure that nothing is lost in translation. No more searching through emails, no more sending Dropbox links, no more text messages back and forth with your team. Everything is all in one place.